So that's good. That's good. All right, guys. Another question here. This one's for Stel naman. So Stel, first of all, guys, I gotta say congratulations. You guys have done so much for the Philippines, ha? Hindi lang para sa inyo, kundi para sa buong bansa natin for representing, di ba? Congratulations, guys. And with that, you've made history as the first Southeast Asian act to chart sa Billboard, di ba? Billboard Social 50 and Next Big Sound. And ang dami pa nito. You've got a lot under your belt, pare. How does it feel to represent the Filipino? Lalo na yung music natin, pare, on stage.
Grabe.
Di ba? So, yung pinakamabigat na tanong.
Actually po, every time we receive an achievement, talagang, syempre, we feel happy, honored, and super proud po. Hindi lang sa aming lima, but of course, sa team po namin. Kasi hindi naman po namin magagawa lahat ng to without the support with them na kasama namin everywhere kami pumunta. And, syempre, hindi po mawawala yung fans na nandyan. Parang lahat po ng achievement kasi na to, hindi siya mangyayari. Di ba po may kasabihan tayo, hindi naman po andar ang barko kung walang nagpapatakbo nito.
Mismo.
So parang,
Captain!
Okay.
hindi po kasi di ba kung kaming lima lang po, hindi po siya uusad eh. Pero kung wala yung mga taong naniniwala, sumusuporta po sa amin, hindi kami magkakaroon ng fire to do the things that we wanna do pa.
Iba talaga pakiramdam rin if they sing it back to you, no?
Opo, parang kahit po yung mga
Diba?
ibang lahi din, na parang they love our language, even our culture, they try to understand us. Malaking bagay po yun kasi hindi lang naman po to about music eh. This is something we wanna share not only to our fans but also outside the Philippines na hindi lang music yung gusto nilang marinig from us, even our story. Now, openly kami i-share. Kaya I think people can really connect to us and they really understand what we wanna say through our music. And I think we are not only representing Filipino music, also our culture and yung paniniwala namin na I think it's time that Filipinos really deserve the spotlight kasi we can really propel in every aspect kasi we're very talented and marami tayong alam gawin. At alam natin na kahit sa parte ng bansa, there's a lot of Filipino po talaga.
Yes, and we've had already a lot of examples that you guys already know, syempre, in our history, di ba, na who have been world-renowned.
Yes.
And just like yourselves, congratulations na rin.
Thank you.
Galing.
Thank you.
All right, I think Millie has another question here for you.
Yes, let's